If you use Grammarly Editor and want to save your work to your computer, this video will show you exactly how to download a document in just a few simple clicks. Whether you want a backup copy, need to share your file offline, or just want to keep your writing saved locally, this is a quick and easy process that anyone can follow. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Grammarly Editor in your browser and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you're inside Grammarly, look for the document you want to download. If you already have it open, that's perfect. If not, click on the document from your list and open it so you're viewing the full editor. Now that your document is open, take a look around the top area of the editor. Grammarly usually places the main actions and file options near the top, and what you want to find here is the download button. Depending on your screen size or browser zoom, it may appear clearly right away, or it may be inside a menu with more options. Once you find the download button, click it. This tells Grammarly that you want to export or save a copy of the document to your device. In many cases, your browser will then ask where you want to save the file. If that happens, simply choose the folder or location on your computer where you want the document stored. You can save it to your Downloads folder, Desktop, Documents folder, or any other place that's easy for you to find later. If your browser does not ask you to choose a location, the file will usually go straight to your default Downloads folder. That means the document has already been saved and you just need to open it from your computer when you're ready. After the download is complete, go to the folder where the file was saved and open it to make sure everything downloaded correctly. This is a good final check, especially if the document is important or if you plan to send it to someone else. You can also rename the file on your computer if you want it to be easier to identify later. And that's it. Your Grammarly document has now been downloaded to your computer. It's a really simple process once you know where to look, and it only takes a few seconds. If this video helped you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on Grammarly and other useful tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.